Hey, please watch this short video and you will get the answers you are seeking.
Hey YouTubers, Honest Fred YouTube, and today we're going to be doing a review of the FORMULER Z8. In my opinion, the best Android IPTV box on the planet 2019, and I'm going to show you why. From the first Android box I got, I wanted to save a few dollars. I bought one on eBay for really cheap. It was like a little dongle you plug into your TV. Then I realized, wow, this thing is really slow. Quality isn't that great, so I upgraded. The FORMULER Z8 as well as the T3, they're all part of the family. They are identical. They are manufactured in Korea, so high quality. It's not one of those cheap knockoff boxes. These guys take care to make sure that they do a good job, and I'm going to demonstrate some of the capabilities of this. Number one feature that exceeds the previous ones is the HD quality. Now I set up an IPTV stream. I'm going to be using Wolverine to demonstrate. Also, if you're interested in any of these devices or anything, definitely check out www.iptvforme.net. Now, the first thing that struck me about this service is the speed. Now, I'm just going to flip through the channels like I would regularly do. Change the channel, instantaneous. Look at that. No other IPTV box does this. No device, none of them. It's instant. That is huge. That's the first thing I noticed.
Kids were in bed. My Aunt B called overreach.
Restrictions on Cuba.
Why wouldn't you spend more time?
Instantaneous. I'm not editing this, guys. I'm just flipping the channel straight up. And if a channel doesn't work, you're gonna know that.
Good for you.
This is a huge feature about this guy right here. I would highly recommend you use a VPN. I use a VPN, IPVanish. All your information goes to your internet service provider. They can see what you're watching, and on some occasions they do slow down your connection if they see your streaming stuff, or they might even geo-block it. So if you're in a location and you want to watch a certain event or something, they might even block it from happening. That goes away when you use a VPN. It will act as a tunnel so no one can see. So please, highly recommend you use a VPN with all the services going down, like Ace, Vader, and all that stuff, and Express King, all those, they all went down, and your information could have been compromised. You don't want that. So please get a VPN. Use the link in the description, affiliate link. You help support the channel so we can continue making content. Cool thing about the FORMULER is how quickly it loads up. Just like that, I select it and boom, we're good to go. This is huge, okay? And this is 4K streaming we're talking about using Wi-Fi.
Got it. Friday, what am I looking at?
Not sure. I'm working on this.
Hey, you might want to put that transmitter in your back pocket, Doc. You might want to use it.
When I did this before with the T2, it was super choppy, super slow. Beautiful thing about the guys, my Korean friends that designed this, is that they listen to feedback. When I was complaining about certain things, they actually contacted me and say, hey Fred, let's see what we could do to fix these, and they actually did it. They listened to you guys. Biggest complaint was the Wi-Fi speed. It has an antenna that comes with it, but you could also use the Ethernet. Obviously, Ethernet is always going to be faster, but I really enjoy this. This is huge. I'm actually using this device myself for my personal TV, my 4K TV, and I really enjoy it a lot. One of the cool things I like is the interface. The interface of the home screen is just like Android TV for the Mi Box and NVIDIA Shield. And what also I think is going to strike a lot of people is the IPTV feature, how it looks. It looks like your traditional cable. So it has an EPG guide that loads all the channel listings so you could see what previously aired as well as what's going to air in the future. And if it supports, your device supports catch-up. Wolverine TV I'm using supports catch-up for many of the channels. You just go back and boom, instant. That is huge, ladies and gentlemen. this is what I like to see, progress. For a while, the IPTV devices were pretty stagnant, but this is huge. Like, this is instantaneous, okay? And this is why I really like it. No need for waiting. Now, obviously with IPTV, some channels work better than others, but I'm randomly selecting, and see, this channel didn't work, so you go on to the next. Like, I'm never gonna just BS you guys and just say, hey, you know, everything is beautiful. It all depends on the server, right? And some channels might work and some may not.
All new, Sunday at 9, only on ID and ID Go.
Randomly selecting a channel, and boom, just like that. Quick, easy, painless. And another way you could do it is you could select the channel, for example. So where the blue line is, that means it's playing live. So for example, this channel is going to be live, right? Viceland. And then if you press the OK button, you could get this screen right here. So this is like EPG, and so you could see what you want to play next. You get this screen here, so that's huge. And if you press right on the remote, you could go to what previously aired as well. So this is beautiful. These people thought of everything. I really like this interface. Want to watch something previously? Boom, right there. It has your own PVR, so that is huge. And another thing, if you want, right now it has, I believe, 16 gigs of storage. However, you could add your own hard drive, your own portable hard drive, which I've done here, which is, I think this is like 4 terabytes, and add additional storage. So a cool thing here is when you have your hard drive set up, you could actually record live TV by pressing the record button, and boom, it's going to record for you. It's going to record half an hour. You could set it to more. It's entirely your choice. You could stop the recording there and go back to the source, go to your files, and it's going to be saved on the hard drive. So it's labeled recording, obviously. It's labeled play, boom, just like that. Quality is awesome, and I really enjoy this. And don't take my word for it, just look for yourself. If you don't believe this is HD quality, go to the info button, just press the info button, and you can see for yourself. So it's playing 1280 by 720, 60 frames per sec. So the interface I really like. It's really easy to use, easy to get through. You just select whatever you want to watch. Say I'm feeling for some kung fu, select it, play, and it's easy like that. It looks exactly like official Google TV. Look at that, beautiful. Look at Kwai Jan Kane over there. What an awesome guy. Rest in peace, David Carradine. But yeah, this is great. Easy to use. I can't stress it enough, because you want something familiar. I know IPTV and Android boxes is very new to many people. That's why I did the video, because I got a lot of questions from my friends and family members who wanted to know how it works. They were getting ripped off. They're going to a flea market or some guy on like Kijiji or whatever, and some garbage. But I'm going to tell you straight how it works. I want to make it easy for you guys to figure out, and that's why I do these videos. So I hope you support me by hitting that subscribe button, hitting like, hey, sharing the videos. All these things are really helpful. If you have a 4K TV, this is the box for you. There's no point in having a 4K TV and not using it, utilizing it. So this is why I highly recommend this box. It's going to be future proof. You're going to be set. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you're interested, again,
I changed my life completely by using the system. Please do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed.